and I'm from Jayant College. I'm going to be talking about rights for children. For me, personally, I believe that education is very, very important. If, like there's this whole cycle of poverty which keeps going on and on and on because poor people cannot afford education and like because they remain uneducated, they're going, they keep going, that's what happens.
They get exploited. So unless they're not given education, they won't be able to get out of the line of poverty.
Yes, because the no jobs is equals to like remaining poor. And there's like more education again, and that is why like half of India.
But again, like to educate children, you educate the mother, because then she can educate children, she can educate the whole family.
Or you could start by educating like kids, in your own house.
See, children are like the building blocks of society. Okay, educating them is not only educating like the present, but like the future.
Yeah.
So if you have your future secure, and India is a country with like the highest youth population
and a lot of potential in these kids. And you're right about it, and like before, you need to educate the kids if you want the country to go ahead. In fact, it was one of UN's goals, to educate, our ex-Prime Minister.
But see again, stuff like in industries like the firecracker industry, they use like younger kids because they have small hands.
But that's because again these guys need some sort of employment, right, to be able to sustain their families, and because they don't. So the government did launch like this whole midday meal scheme, but it needs to do more, right?
It needs like launching a scheme and actually implementing it is like a big difference.
Different.
It has to be implemented on a grassroots level.